Another really useful feature of the InCommand Go Displays is the new bracket that's been designed for the switchbox. Previously, you had to get a screwdriver out, unscrew the screws to take the switchbox off of the display in the case that you might be moving it from the tractor to the combine and you don't need the switchbox and want to leave it in the tractor. Now we have a toolless quick release bracket. Take a look at this. We can pop the bracket off that quick and we can snap it back into place just as quick.